to Sibling Squad. We don't know if this is still popular as much as it was. Shawarma truck. We played the actual shawarma game, but we really wanted to try the truck to change things up. So, let's go. Oh my god, Ashley, because when we said we were going to play a horror game, and we wanted to say this was going to be a horror game. Yeah. This is a good game. To be funny, scary, just a game or something. Just let us know. Funny. Well, comment down below. Anomalies. If we get about 5 likes. Sure. 5 to 10 likes. We'll play. What? Wait. We'll scroll somewhere in the comments.
That's creepy.
With our eyes closed.
Oh, that's creepy.
What?
Right now, it is June.
Okay.
And it said on this was June.
It's okay.
That's creepy.
No.
Well, at least it's not the same day.
But we'll close our eyes, scroll somewhere in the comments, and then do whatever we land on, we'll do it. Yeah. Oh. Why can't I read?
Do you have all?
Midnight already.
Do you see your all?
Yes.
Perfect time to sell food.
What the heck? Perfect time to sell food.
Keys.
We need the truck.
Where'd I put them this time?
Okay, let's go.
That's it.
You've got to be kidding me. Nothing left. All right, market run first.
No, let me
Move, I can't see.
Oh! You're driving! Oh! Oh, you put me out of the car! Put me out of the car!
I can't see. Okay, I'm good now. Did I go the wrong way?
Yes.
Just left it. Yes, we're driving backwards.
Oh.
Just a deer.
Why is the door not closed?
I think it's
the emergency. This is so creepy.
Take your time.
Why do you have a gun?
okay, we got the sauce. We got the salad.
Give me all your money. Yeah. Hey, buddy. Give me all your money. Take that. Give me all your money. Give me all your money.
Okay.
I'm punching him. Fine, then I will bribe you. Do we have it in front?
Come on, help me grab everything.
What do we need?
Cola. Go get cola.
Color. Where's the color? The color would be in the fridge. Color? Open. Take. Buddy, we need this. I just bought some of that. What's the color?
Cheese. Okay, finally.
Buy it.
The cola's gonna be in the fridge.
We're trying to buy this sauce. Trying to buy this.
Found it.
Let me out of your stupid sauce.
Be careful out there.
I don't like the sound.
Hey man, you're good to go. But let me break the job down real quick for you. First, start with the lavash.
Put it on
Put
the
it on the
counter.
counter.
Then you're going to
Slice the meat
and
and
add it to the lavash.
Family fun.
After that,
Add toppings. Salad,
Salad, sauce, and
cheese.
Okay.
And
No.
must be it. Ollie, we awesome.
Here you go.
We forgot this.
Nice, thanks.
No, we forgot his
Mice are fire.
Oh, let me go talk to him. Hey guys, what?
Hey, can you make it quick? Shawarma, cheese, salad only. No drink.
No, he's not. Open that back up. Aiden, haven't you?
Here. You shouldn't be out this late.
Okay. Nah, bro.
I told you that wasn't your dog. How do I pick up?
Oh, hello, dear. Could I have a shawarma?
It's all
With
bread.
salad, no cheese.
By the way, they don't have soda pizza.
Guys, if you want us to play rivals, then tell us.
So is this person like not gonna leave?
You little. Grandpa, you know, to your feed. If you want us to play rivals, then tell us.
So is this person like not gonna leave?
You little. Grandpa, you know, to your feed.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Just shawarma.
No.
I'm not staying here.
No, you guys heard me. I was like, what can you guys do? Are you in the truck? Huh? Are you in the truck?
We should find a place to stop soon. There's gotta be something up ahead.
I'm gonna go punch them. Hold on.
Hello, you. I'll take a shawarma.
Take a shawarma.
Just lavash and shawarma. And a cola. You're very good. Most people get jumpy this late.
You get used to it.
Calm suits you.
Okay, I don't really like this thing.
I feel this a lot. Don't just fall down.
Here you go.
Perfect, thanks.
I just flew down.
You guys know what I really want right now?
What?
I want a sandwich. Yeah! Oh, what?
You can take one.
Yeah, I'm gonna-
Huh? Why are you floating?
Busy night?
This?
Okay, I don't like it.
Something like that.
Mixed shawarma.
Does it have a mouth? Yeah, it doesn't have a mouth. He opens it back up. You can see he doesn't have a mouth.
Guys, if we haven't talked much in this video like the last one, it's because, we're lost.
Thanks.
Yeah.
You ever notice how quiet it gets near water?
I forgot we were videoing.
How do you forget? I don't.
I always do. I hear a bug.
Now what the frick, bro? Just like teleported, he's gone.
Like, what did I have for breakfast this morning? I don't know.
Okay, I don't like it.
Something like that.
Mixed shawarma.
It's because we're locked
Thanks.
Yeah.
You ever notice how quiet it gets near water?
I forgot we were video.
How do you forget? I don't.
I always do. I forget a bunch.
Now what the frick, bro? Just like teleported. He's gone.
Like, what did I have for breakfast this morning? I don't know.
See this kid?
He left.
Don't like that.
She's hungry. Meat. Only meat.
What the frick?
Why?
I don't like this game, bro. I really don't like this game.
Why did we play this? Buddy.
I'll have a shawarma.
A pigeon?
Cheese and salad only.
No, we're not going to be
Bro, what is this game, bro? What is this game?
Wait,
If you guys have made it this far into the video, say pigeon in the comments.
Yeah, but actually, in one place there is pigeon people. There's people dressed up as pigeons.
Oh yeah, I know. I've seen it.
Huh?
I've seen a video of it before.
Have
Are you
gone
pigeon
there?
gonna leave?
What's this Israel? The pigeon people? It probably is.
Do we have to?
Guys,
I guess we have to.
after this out, I think we're
Well,
like after this section.
no. I want to try to see how long we can last.
Here you go.
Thanks.
He wants to stop because he's scared. Isn't that right?
I'm hungry.
Bro's hungry. The shawarma's making him hungry.
No, I'm actually hungry.
Bro, he just no-clicked.
Ringo 持ってる?
No, we don't.
ないの? じゃあお前が持ってるものをよこせ.
We are closed at the moment, sir.
ここにはもう人間らしさなんて残っていない.
There's no human in
I
here.
don't like this place.
You're not human.
I think it's time to go.
That'd be so.
Let me go. How do you want that?
He's back. Can I drive?
How do you want that?
He's back. Can I drive? Touchy, like you just like I think that's
Let's fall into the video. Comment down below shawarma.
See, and right here, I would not come here.
What is it? Motel. Look! He's trying to hug you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Somebody's at the store.
Hey, cheese shawarma.
Hey, cheese shawarma.
And the cola.
Cheese shawarma OVP. You want a black tea cola? Take that. Really?
Why is he doing that?
He's trying to hug you.
Thanks.
Why is he doing that?
I don't know.
This guy was supposed to try to hug you.
Hey man, shawarma. Put everything on it.
Yeah.
I need the calories.
No cola, too much sugar.
No corrupt too much sugar. Calories have sugar in it. What do you mean? Who has calories in it?
Sugar up.
But he takes it away. He's like too mixed up.
Sugar has calorie, calorie has sugar.
You guys always work this late?
Most nights.
Take it easy.
End it here. If you guys liked the video, comment down below and we can
Hi,
play
can you make it fast?
Yeah, we're done.
Shawarma.
Alright,
Just sauce and
Bye!
Bye. Goy, goy, goy.
Girly, 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 girly.
Go, go.